What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. I did not take any trades today, but I am going to go over the price action to see what was the reason I was looking for short prices or bearish prices, and the market ended up going long. And the reason why I did not take any trades. And the reason obviously for shorts was that we had this SMT here on the daily time frame, and we had a nice C2 closure, and based on the structure, obviously we can expect the market to to expand lower, at least to this low here. The other reason was that we did not have any gap, any wick on the lower side of the daily candle, and also the way that the daily candle opened was supporting the lower prices. Why? Because this is where the day opened, no lower wick, just expanded higher, and then we consolidated one candle, two, three candles until the 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. opens. And one of the other things I mentioned in the pre-market analysis, I said we're looking for shorts as long as we close as a reversal candle on the 6 a.m., which, as you can see here, we did not close as a reversal candle, not here, not on the YM. And as you can see, the market was very decoupled. NQ is going up, YM is going lower, and that is very decoupled. You don't want to trade a market that is decoupled. You want to wait for the manipulation and then to sink, and then you can trade it. But as you can see here, we did not resync, and we were after the 10 a.m. So after 6 a.m. we just expanded higher. On the YM we expanded lower, and there was no low of the day was framed here, so I can go higher. And the other one was that the candle profile did not support higher prices. And once I see all of those, there is no reason for me to stay on the chart and look for shorts, because nothing here supports lower prices. Maybe some of you guys could catch small trades here and there, but in general, if I am not seeing what I want, then I am going to stay out of the market. And if you look at the daily time frame now, look at the YM. This is the today's candle. It was an inside bar, so there is no higher prices was taken, no lower prices was taken, so that is a consolidation. However, on the YM, on the NQ, we did expand higher, but you don't want to trade any expansion. You want to trade, you have a specific model, and that is the one you want to trade. If it doesn't if it doesn't resonate, or if it doesn't align with your model, it doesn't matter if it expands or not, you trade your model. Alright guys, that is it, and that was the reason I did not take any trades. Hopefully we can get another trade tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace.